大家好, I'm Martin, and this is a Phrase a Day English, brought to you by the National Taichung University of Science and Technology Language Center. Today's phrase is birds of a feather flock together. Birds of a feather flock together. 物以类聚. This phrase means that people with similar interests or personalities like to hang out with each other. Often this phrase is shortened to birds of a feather, or even just of a feather. When you say two people are birds of a feather, what you're saying is that they are a lot alike. They have a lot in common, and that's what brings them together. The idea that similar people do things together has been around since ancient Greek times. There have been several similar phrases comparing people to birds throughout history. The full phrase, birds of a feather flock together, was first written down in 1545 by William Turner. Now it is time for the example sentences. Number 1. Of course all the sporty kids hang out. Birds of a feather, right? Number 2. We Taiwanese are birds of a feather, and we must stick together. Birds of a feather flock together. People with common interests will hang out with each other. That's it for today. Thank you for watching. Bye-bye.